World-class sales and marketing team, process and systems at just 35% of the actual cost. In your opinion, what's the biggest factor that influences the growth of your business? Is it the fluctuations of the economy? Is it the market size? Is it the growth rate of your business sector? Or is it competition? While all these factors are important, are they really the biggest reason why your business is facing hurdles for exponential growth? Please note, we are not talking about slow organic growth here. We are actually talking about explosive exponential growth. Wouldn't you agree that the actual gap is because of a lack of a highly capable and scalable sales and marketing process and system? Now, we're talking about a sales and marketing process and system that's both capable and scalable at the same time. Unlike other sectors, the design and build sector requires a far more complex and strategic approach towards acquiring new customers. It involves establishing an extensive channel network plus a direct network for both the residential and the commercial segments across all locations, that is cities, that are relevant to your business. The channel network, which comprises of establishing enduring, that is long-lasting relationships with international and domestic property consultants, project management companies, and developers. The direct network, which comprises of strategic alliances with residential developers, organic and paid presence in social media, media relations, representation in relevant publications, and online news agencies. Now, all this entire communication has to be synchronized in one beautiful order and form for the entire customer acquisition process to be effective. Then you have marketing automation, which is also a very important factor. It involves setting up advanced lead generation and prospect management processes and systems, not only for generating new inquiries, but also towards consistent follow-ups. Wouldn't you agree then that without these critical resources, your business will always struggle to grow exponentially? Now, exponentially is the key word here. We're not talking about those 10 or 15% organic growth that you get year on year. So what are the hurdles that you're likely to face for setting up such a complex system? The major factor A is a disproportionate salary cost versus output. Now, while the work that you can extract from your sales and marketing employees would hardly consume 20% of their work time, your salary cost to them will remain at 100%, which is a huge loss for you month on month. B, lack of penetration into strategic markets. Building relationships via the channel network is an absolutely exhausting and time-consuming process. The channel network contributes almost 80% of the sales turnover for design and build companies, that is companies with 100 crores plus revenues per year, which is astonishing. So instead of the direct network, it's very, very important to build relationships via the channel network. C, again, the more important reason is the lack of focus. As a design entrepreneur, your keen activities has to revolve around your core competency, which is pioneering new design innovations, sourcing, and research. Undertaking the additional burden of sales and marketing, which is a highly specialized function, can erode you of devoting quality time to your core skills. Food for thought, something very important for you to think about, some alarming statistics. More than 75% of all design and build orders in the country, both in terms of size and revenue, are actually won by the top 25 companies only, leaving the balance 75% companies to grapple for the remaining 25%. So this statistics really tells you how uneven the current playing field is at this point of time. So how will you escape this vicious trap? How does your business escape this vicious trap? Within the clouds of obstacles is hidden the silver lining of opportunity. That's what we believe, and that's what we are here to exploit. Just look at this fact. Just by grabbing a minuscule 20% market share from the massive 75% share dominated by bigger companies, your business can register a 200% to 300% growth in sales turnover. Isn't it astonishing? So what you're actually doing is you're grabbing just a small market share from these 75% share dominated by big companies, but in turn, just this 25% market share translates to a 200 to 300% growth for you. So let's flip the entire story around and say, what if your business can recruit a highly qualified and capable sales, business development, and marketing team at just 35% of the actual costs? What if you need to pay salaries to these employees only for the hours that your business actually requires them for and not a penny more. Imagine the huge value addition this can add to your entire business model. Because now you'll have to pay salaries and incur costs only proportional to your productivity. Isn't that astonishing? What if your business can set up a world-class lead generation system and channel network system to attract hordes of new customers, and that too, again, at just 35% of the actual cost? What if your business revenues and profitability can grow by over 100% in the first year itself, and that too, again, at just 35% of the actual cost? What if your business has the same highly capable sales and marketing team, systems, and processes, which are similar to world-class multinational companies, and that too at a fraction of the actual cost? So now this is a step towards leveling the playing field, completely eliminating the gap between your company and that of the bigger design and bigger building industries in the sector. What if your business can set up presence across multiple cities at the cost of just one or two branches? Wouldn't that be an astonishing proposition for you? You can set up presence in the cities of Mumbai, Pune, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai, Delhi, and Ahmedabad at the cost of just one or two branches. So what are the components of this world-class sales and marketing infrastructure? One, what you get on hand is a highly capable sales team, which comprises of business development managers, regional managers, branch heads, national sales heads, for managing any kind of sales model, right from distribution, direct sales, and channel sales. Number two, you get a highly efficient marketing and support team, which is comprises of marketing managers, graphic designers, website and app development experts, digital marketing experts, media relations experts, customer relation managers, for completely managing end-to-end marketing solutions and relationship solutions. Number three, you get a highly capable sales and marketing process. The process is as important, if not more important, than these first two aspects. So complete sales and marketing accountability of your business, whether across the nation or even the globe, from generating leads to following up with prospects to closing sales. Four, multiple branches across the city. It provides your business the unmatched capability to expand to other cities in the country at a fraction of what it would actually cost you. So any guesses how much this complete team, process and system will cost you per month? It begins from just a measly 1.5 lakhs per month per branch. Isn't it astonishing? It includes the complete sales and marketing team and infra. An astonishing aspect, isn't it? If you were to set up the same infrastructure in-house on your own, it will cost you a bare minimum amount of rupees 7 lakhs to 10 lakhs, and that too per month per branch. So this actually comes to a savings of almost 6 lakhs per month per branch, not to mention the far higher competence, productivity, and efficiency. No longer will sales and marketing be your headache or burden anymore. Leave it to us to generate revenues for your business while you focus on the important aspects that matter, which is innovation, new product launches, and research. So we are a company that we walk the talk with management consulting experience spanning more than 2 decades and managing innumerable national and international brands. We have now shifted our attention to creating a level playing field for small and medium enterprises in the country. We want to make a positive impact and actually create a meaningful change within the sector. So it is a select consortium. This highly capable and efficient sales and marketing infrastructure is being set up for a very limited group of just 120 design and build entities in the country. Initial cities of presence would be Mumbai, Delhi, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai, Pune, and Ahmedabad. 7 cities in all. And we'll obviously be expanding to more cities in the near future. Limited partners. This is a very, very important aspect. The nature of the model is such that the quality and productivity would be diluted if we were to induct more than 20 partners per city. So we're going to actually limit this association, this select group, to only 20 partners per city, a very, very important factor. Hence, we are constrained to make the whole process a first come, first serve model for participating partners. This is the only way that we can set up the system fast and initiate the system for you. So what's the next step? Just 3 simple steps to 100% growth in revenues at just 35% of the actual cost. Step 1, you provide basic information. Provide us with essential basic information about your business so that we may recommend the ideal growth and expansion plan best suited for your business. Step 2, get a customized business report. We will prepare a business report that's customized to the unique requirements of your business, which includes how much do you need to expand right now, what is your current turnover, what is the amount of turnover that you should actually aim to grow in the next 1 year, and so on and so forth. We'll create a perfect roadmap for you for the next 12 months. Step 3, you're all set to increase revenues. We will set up sales and marketing infrastructure for your business across all the recommended branches at just again 35% of the actual costs. Just take the first step now. Send us a text on WhatsApp on the number 98200 84506. You must have already received communication from this number from us before. Simply type yes and send. Thereafter, we will send you a small questionnaire for basic information about your business so that we may recommend the ideal growth plan and strategy that is tailor-made for your requirement. Thank you so much. We look forward to being in touch and communicating with you. Please send us information about your business and we will send you your customized business report at the earliest. Thank you and have a wonderful day.